Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use no-code tools in Salesforce. This is a powerful way to build custom app pages without writing a single line of code, making it perfect for anyone who wants to create functional applications quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, go to Salesforce and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all the administrative settings in Salesforce. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Setup. This takes you to the configuration hub where you can customize nearly every aspect of your Salesforce environment. Now on the left side of the setup page, you'll see a quick find search box. Type Lightning App Builder into this box. This search function helps you navigate through the extensive settings options quickly. When the results appear, click on Lightning App Builder. This is where the magic happens, as it's the no-code tool that lets you visually design app pages by dragging and dropping components. On the Lightning App Builder page, click the New button in the top right area. This initiates the process of creating a brand new Lightning page from scratch. A window titled Create a New Lightning Page will pop up. In the left panel, click on App Page. This option is specifically for building custom application pages that you can add to your Salesforce apps. Click Next in the bottom right corner to proceed. Now you'll need to give your page a name. In the label field, type something descriptive like My App Page. This helps you identify the page later when managing multiple custom pages. Click Next again to move forward. You'll now see various layout options displayed. These templates determine how your page will be structured. Click on a layout that suits your needs, for example, header and left sidebar. This gives you a structured framework to work with. Once selected, click Done in the bottom right corner. Wait a moment for the Lightning App Builder to load your new page layout. You'll see the layout appear in the middle of your screen with designated areas for components. On the left side, scroll through the standard components list. These are pre-built elements you can use without any coding. Drag a component such as dashboard from the standard list and drop it onto one of the add component open parenthesis s close parenthesis here areas in the middle canvas. Once you've added the component, look at the right side where the properties panel appears. Here, select the specific item you want to display, such as a particular dashboard or data set. This customizes what information the component will show. When you're satisfied with your page, click Save in the top right corner. You'll be prompted with options to activate or not yet. If you're ready to make the page live, click Activate. An activation window will appear. Go to the Lightning Experience tab, then select where you want to add your new app page, for example. Integration app, click Add Page to App, and then finally click Save. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional app page in Salesforce without writing any code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.